Caroline who's sat there.
Well, yeah. She's 80 years old. Yeah, I used to follow them.
But is it a good idea having a fire against an extension wall? It's a good idea having a fire against an extension wall.
I'm not really happy about that, to be honest.
I don't think you should have that there. That's a bad idea, I'd say.
Exactly. That was the guy.
That's a really shit extension. It sounds like building. I wouldn't have had a fire against it myself. It was built by very strong builders. I watched them build it. That may fall down.
Is it the same guy?
It's that Irish flag, you know,
Oh, not the one.
No, it's not like going here.
Sorry, we stole your light, by the way.
Oh, that's alright.
Sorry about that.
It has to be fire. What did you bring? What were you going to do? Shredded caramel socks?
Yeah. Well,
What, frame it?
And then set it alight.
Can I say little I brought it back. I just went, and I went, oh, what's this? The town went, oh, well on, Joe. Still the 20. It's only stays for a It's going up there. That's why it's going up there. Actually, that's pretty funny. He just sits on the.
If everyone could probably just
Leave the house. Go home. Does anyone want to go up on the balcony?
Yeah.
something happened.
Just be behind the tree. Probably going to protect us then.
get back over there. Yeah, go down that end. That'll be fine. Go down that end, will be fine. So you want to sort of move down. I don't want anyone to die.
Did you invite the neighbours tonight?
Yes.
They here?
That'd be great.
What's he doing? Is he going to shoot them down? He's getting everyone moving.
Why are you shooting them down? That is not right.
What's going on here?
Fucking all up.
I just want to say thanks everyone for coming. This is kind of a party to
You're welcome.
This is kind of a party to celebrate Joe Warren and Nicky Elwood arriving in the house, but and they're our exceptional housemates, and this is great. So I'm glad so many people turned up, and thanks everyone who did art. And now, if I die in the next few minutes, then
Don't die.
thank you.
Donate your organs.
If I die in the next few minutes, then it'll be an even better show, won't it? Because there'll be something to talk about. No, not good. Well, that wasn't a good thing to say, apparently. So, well.
Be okay. Be safe.
Okay. So let's all enjoy ourselves and, you know, try not to die. If everyone could try not to die.
I'm moving back now.
Someone who's going to die.
He's going to set fireworks off a ladder. That's a really stupid.
But when he faced, trying to go for the box of fireworks.
If this doesn't go off, then everyone's
He's not going to go that
Take a
well.
photo of you next to it.
Not yet, I'm going to light it now. Everyone get as far back as they possibly
And then we'll
can.
like
It's a cable. This is safety.
He helps with safety.
I'll turn the other way. Just film. You're missing.
Is it fine?
It's not working, Bart. Go back and check it.
Phosphorus in their eyes. Only not in Brixton. Christ! Is
that it?
£72 that cost.
Oh my god!
You don't tell you why you're supposed to stand 25 metres back today, and that's the answer.
It's raining down shit on us. Molten plastic covered in.
Do I duck? Do I die?
Nobody else knew what was going to say.
food in the house and something this much. Underneath the thing.
Who's that coming?
Oh, yeah. And I didn't like that. I bought a box for bonfire night.
How do you think that went, Bob? How do you think that went?
Well, like I was saying, I think there's only two adjectives you can use to describe that, and that's powerful and near.
I think you're being quite pessimistic in terms of the number of adjectives that they could use to describe it.
What would you say?
Having seen your face, I'd go with brown trousers.
To be honest, I thought people were going to die. I really thought people were at least going to be blinded.
Oh, it's a good bit of cordite.
Cordite? Rich, are you a scientist?
No, I'm environmental.
Cordite.
I'm an engineer.
That'll do it. Cordite. Do you use cordite in your engineering? Being filmed?
No, I use cordite and shooting things.
What do you shoot?
Balloons.
This is being filmed for Britain in a Day, the documentary, yeah. Bob Dylan there.
To make you fall.
I love that song.
No, you haven't made your mind up yet, but I would never do you wrong.
This is something else. Who saw this coming? I didn't know this was going to happen after that.
It's alright,
Thank you. Wow, that's unbelievable. And the paraffin man. That's flame-proof paper.
That night that we on Halloween, we never met. I went to a party where there was this woman going around with trick or treating.
I must take a photo of it. Can I have that talk?